Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to tell you about the Max Planck Summer Internship Program in Germany for the year of 2022. That is also a fully funded program. If you are looking for an internship in Germany, then this is a very prestigious internship program in Germany. The applications are now open for the Max Planck Summer Internship in Germany 2022. The Max Planck Summer Internship is a fully funded internship in Germany for bachelor, master, and postgraduate students. They invite applicants from all countries. All the expenses will be covered by the Max Planck Summer Internship. The duration of the internship will be up to 10 weeks. The summer internship in Germany will take place from mid-June to end September. All the participants of bachelor, master, or postmaster students who are interested in the fields of biology, chemistry, computer science, math, neuroscience, physics, psychology, and related fields can apply for this internship program. During the Max Planck internship program, participants will get a chance to join numerous social activities such as lab parties, hikes, sports groups, PhD activities, the institute summer parties, and much more. So, are you excited to join the Max Planck this summer for free? Then apply for this internship program. Details about Max Planck internship program 2022. The host country is Germany and the capital of Germany is Berlin. The duration is 10 weeks and the financial coverage is fully funded. The deadline is 15 February 2022. And the financial coverage include your free student accommodation, a stipend of approximately €800 per month, reimbursement of airfare travel cost, and the length of timing of internship is the 10 weeks and it takes place from mid June to end September. The eligibility criteria: all applicants from any country can apply for this internship program. Highly motivated students in biology, chemistry, computer science, math, neuroscience, physics, psychology, and related fields can apply. We welcome application of bachelor, master, or postmaster students that have already gained some research experience during their studies. We invite application from excellent students with top grades from all countries. The required documents are: all the documents listed below must be submitted in German or English. And your curriculum vitae include your transcript, include your temporary provisional transcript for degree program in you are currently enrolled in, your documents qualifying for university studies, or include letter of recommendation of one referee, letter of motivation are also included. And the selection process: the program committee will evaluate and select students based on their grades, research experience, CV, or letter of motivation, and letter of reference. The committee aims to announce its decision to the applicants by the end of March 2022, and the deadline is 15 February 2022. So must avail this opportunity before the deadline. So let's have a look on the visit the official websites. So this is the official website of Max Planck's summer internship program. So here all the details are written here. The deadline of application is 15 February 2022 and the deadline is for registration is 10 February 2022. So let's have a look on here application and dates. So this is the whole process. First of all, you have to register yourself, then invite your referee, then fill out application form, upload documents, and submit your application. So guys, go to the application platform. So guys, first of all, you have to register yourself from here. If you are applying for the first time, so you have to register from here, create a new account. So your username, your email address, your first name, your last name, and then create an account. So I already created my account, so I'm going to log in. Now you are on login. Go to home. My application. So guys, this is my application. First of all, you have to, I'm not putting my information, but just like to know you that first of all, you have to put your general information, then your reference, your CV, your education, number 4, your research interest, number 5, your awards or scholarships, number 6, your language and test, then 7 is additional information. How applications work, this is also information was written here. Application to do: invite referee, then reference to do, submit letter of recommendation, you fill out application form and upload required documents, submit application, then application complete. So guys, this is the whole information. You have to put all information step by step. After completing this will show you application complete. And by putting all the information you have to save them. So guys, hope so you understand that how you can apply step by step for this prestigious internship program in Germany. Thank you so much guys. I will meet you in my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.